Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So first of all, sorry for that. We were not
Delay.
able to post any video on Pawan Kalyan sir's birthday yesterday. So
Yes.
belated happy birthday and may God bless you.
So Pawan Kalyan sir is a very great actor in Telugu
Yes.
film industry. We all know that he's very natural actor. He's very famous for his powerful acting, and people call him Power Star.
Yes.
Power Star Pawan Kalyan. So
Powerful.
very powerful, and he has a huge crowd base. Fan following.
Yes, fan following.
Because of his excellent acting
Yes.
and natural kind of
And
acting.
as also a good person.
Very
Yes,
good person and
I
very
have
versatile.
I have a friend
Yeah.
who lives in London. He is also a great fan of.
Very great fan actually. So
Yes.
in throughout the world, you can say, not only in India, throughout the world his fan following
Yes.
are based. So we also love his some of the actings,
Right.
because some of his movies also getting dubbed in Hindi, and
Yes.
in
And we have
TV
seen,
also
yes, right.
sometimes came. So he's
Of
very
course.
natural kind of actor, and his dialogue delivery and everything, like it's very natural, and at
Yes.
the same time very powerful, you can say. Okay,
Right.
so
And
we really
slowly, I
love.
think nowadays he have moved to the politics, so he's
Yeah.
doing a fabulous job, great job. So,
In
so to
politics
the
industry
ground
also.
people, yes,
Definitely. So let's get started with the mashup today, and this one is by Stalwart Studio.
Yes.
We already have done Stalwart Studios creation. They are fabulous, and their creativity, it's up to the level, up to the mark, you can say. So yes, let's get started. If you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell. तो
Yes.
चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Okay.
See the crowd, people are.
పవర్ స్టార్ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ ఆ పేరు విన్నా
Wow, that's awesome, right?
ఆ విజువల్ చూసినా
It's powerful.
బాడీ
Wow.
ఇక్కడ ఒక కరెంట్ పాస్ అవుతుంది.
I'll get goosebumps all over body.
Yeah, he's stylish also, right?
Yes, he's stylish.
30 కేజీల బరువు కూడా లేని రివర్ట్ లాంటి శరీరం
75 kg of weight. So I
See,
think
very
it-
natural, very.
చెప్పడానికి నువ్వెవట్రా ఆర్ ద ఫ్యాన్ నేను చెప్పిన ఒకటే నా ఫ్యాన్స్ చెప్పిన ఒకటే ఐ బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ చాలా పెద్ద
Everyone is talking about
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్
Power Star.
Yes, is being given that name,
Yeah.
Power Star.
అనుకోకు ఇప్పుడే మొదలయ్యింది
It has just begun.
మీరేంట్రా నన్ను చూస్తున్నారు ఎవరి డబ్బును కొట్టండా
Wow.
అయితే ఏంటి కంటెంట్లోని కట్అవుట్ చాలు
Very great, right?
Right.
Very natural and powerful at the same time. His expression is marvelous.
Presenting the Power Star.
See, this execution is brilliant.
क्या पिक्चर
He's some of the famous song, right?
Yes. Slow motion action is
Slow motion action is superb.
పడంట్రా అంటే పేదోస్ పడుతున్నారేంట్రా నువ్వు కొట్రా మరి ఎంత లోలో కాకుండా మీడియం
I think that one needs something like dabang.
It's something like that. I'm also thinking the same. Because that scenes, they have remade in Hindi also as well.
Yes.
Wow.
ఇప్పుడు నడవండ్రా పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారికి ఇక్కడ పట్టుకుంటే ఆడియన్స్ పల్స్ తెలుస్తుంది అనుకుంటా
Okay.
This is the signature. Okay, everyone has its signatures and all, so he is having that.
That's true.
ఆ ప్రకంపనలు అలా వెళ్తూ ఉంటాయి దీని వెనక ఏదో పవన్ ఉందో
It's done a lot of the movie. And also see this theater response. Wow.
Wow, people are.
See.
ఇది తెలియాలి
I didn't know. I should know.
You should know it.
ఇల్లేమో కోరం
That song we have heard.
We have heard it,
That
yeah.
is a
very rhythmic,
Very rhythmic and great
very
craze also for
craze,
this.
craze, yeah, very rhythmic and
Yeah.
super fun kind of.
Yes, that's true.
You know, if it is playing, people will start dancing. Wow. Stay in people. Yeah, I'll
Right,
stay in
yes,
people.
because
This is the main, you know.
Yes, he's worked with the ground people there.
Correct, correct.
Right, so that is superb. Yeah.
Very great, very great. Stalwart Studio cut. You have made a brilliant job and deserves a clap. And yes, like Pawan Kalyan sir is having, he's blessed with such kind of face which can be suitable in any kind of role, whether it is
Yes.
cop or a kind of
And
rowdy,
Rowdy also,
or,
and you can say a big neta kind.
big neta kind of, or bigra hua beta, a rich kid,
Yeah,
okay,
right.
or some poor kid. His face is like that can be suitable with any kind of role. Some romantic hero, some villain also at the same time. Like very few actors are blessed with this kind of facial structure. He's
And
having
I
this
think
kind of.
that police getup suits him a lot.
And this kind of crazy police officer who is dabang type,
Right.
okay, who is doing good things for the poor people or society, but at the same time he is a little bit crazy kind of, okay, fun loving.
that
kind of character
suits him
very
a lot.
very much suitable. And I really love that gamcha wala look which is he
with
carrying,
police suit,
police
right.
suit. It is unique, okay, unique at the same time, and it
It resembles
catches
like
the
resembles like
audience
that he
attention.
can
Ha.
support the poor people. as
Poor
well.
people,
It's not
ha.
behaving like I'm something high standard or something.
And also it shows that he is not taking any bribes or anything. He is very loyal to his work, and this kind of role suits him a lot. So, and also his expression
His expression
is
super.
super brilliant. His eyes, expression, everything, like the way he delivers the dialogues, all are outstanding. That is why people are
not
crazy.
only the dialogue delivery, but with the dialogue, his expression, facial
Expression,
expression,
ha.
and eyes, he look, that look, it's killing.
Bapre, it's superb, man. And definitely, like, his whole body appearances, his facial structure, and his body language, everything, his expression, everything is on point.
And also at this age, he
yes,
is physically fit also, right?
very fit,
Yes, and like we have seen a lot of the film actors, and at a certain age they have some stomach tummy and also.
yes,
I
they
think
become
still
some
now
bulky,
also
but
he is-
still he's very
he is
flexible,
fit, yes.
very flexible and fit in the body
And
structure.
and now
I think
his main aim to provide foods and everything for the poor people.
do good for the poor
right,
people.
So he's working a lot hard with,
Yeah.
for the poor people right now.
Yes, correct.
So that's a great and
very
so much
great
generosity
thing,
for him.
actually. Yes, and also so many great actors and celebrities are talking about Pawan Kalyan sir. Like Vijay sir was there, then Abhishek Bachchan from the Bollywood, and
Like I've seen Vijay sir,
Vikram sir also
I've
was
seen
there.
very less he is speaking about anybody. So I
Yes,
think
yes, but that is a great thing
that
actually.
is
He
great thing,
is,
yes.
having that kind of
personality,
talent. That is why he's very talented, and we are extremely proud of him. Okay,
Yes.
his acting skill, his movies are superb. They all do good. I think all of the movies, very big number of hit.
And also
He is
Pawan
giving.
Kalyan sir, he's not
Power
only
star.
famous in the south or
No,
Telugu
no,
industry.
in north
He's
also.
famous in North India.
Yeah,
as well.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
Since childhood days, we used to watch a
His
lot of the
movies.
movies.
Yes,
sir.
yes, his movies, definitely.
Yes.
So yeah, that is it for today's video. We really like his acting and everything, and also we really like this mashup.
Yes,
This
and
mashup
also,
is
once again from our
outstanding.
side, happy birthday to Pawan Kalyan sir.
definitely very 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 belated happy birthday. May God bless you, and stay safe, stay healthy. That's all. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from DJ, and he's commenting, yes, we should support Hindi version. We want this type of pan-Indian movies, support them. And he's commenting on Mr. Murli official teaser.
Yes.
Definitely,
Of course,
that
definitely.
should be
That
needed.
that should be needed, just because not only that people can restrain or can know any good actor within their state. It should be
Correct.
better that everybody should
Their
know
knowledge
about
can
them.
be, their talent can be
Right.
spread it over the country, whole country.
Yes.
Okay, because we are from North India, and we really love their acting skill, their everything, the executions of each and every scenes. that all are superb. So
Yes, and
that
also
is why.
we love entertainment industry, so I think it's better for us also to know everybody.
Correct, correct. That is very true. And yes, we really love your, comment. This one is, very less number of people appreciate this
Right.
kind of comments, or
Exactly.
they follow this kind of, strategies, but very less numbers of people,
And
because
also
they
it's
all are,
good
telling.
in the term of a
Yeah,
budget also.
budget
So whatever
also.
they have spent, if they release it in different languages, they can
Yeah.
earn more.
Because people are, getting crazy because for Bahubali,
Yes.
if you see, and so many other movies
lot
are
of the
there, lot of
movie are
movies which, earn a lot of money, because both North Indian, South Indian, East Indian,
Everybody can see
everybody is
that
watching, and everybody is praising them.
Right.
Okay, because of their acting. Not their talent is not only surrounded by some, limited space.
Right.
So
I think a
yeah.
lot of the movie, if you see that whatever the craziness you are getting from the south,
Equal number of
equal number or more than that you can get it from the north also. So I
more
think
or equal numbers, okay,
Right.
not less at
Yes,
all.
we have seen
Because
that,
we
right.
we know that our friends,
And
they are also
exactly,
from
not
North
of-
India, they are getting crazy, okay, whenever they hear about, Pravas sir or Talapati
Vijay
Vijay
sir,
sir, or
Ajit
Pravas
sir.
Pavan Kalyan sir, everyone from South, I'm telling.
Right.
So yes, that much, love and support and everything we are also giving to them.
Yes.
Okay, so that is a very great comment, yeah, DJ, and yeah, thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Prudhvi Goenka, and he is writing his comment on Bahubali Pravas Evaluation 2002 to 2019 all movies. So he is saying that genuine reaction because we all Pravas fans, but your reaction was very genuine.
Thank you so
of course,
much.
thank you for so much, and we generally used to give our reaction whatever we feel like.
Yes, yes,
Simply.
and yes, that day, that evolution, that was superb, man.
Yes.
That was great actually, and yeah, we got a lot of criticism also. We got a lot of appreciation. This kind of great comments also we got. So thank you so much, for your comment and for watching and for supporting our channel. So the third comment for today's video is from Arjun K, and he's commenting, please react mic set one side love Sothanaigal upload please.
So
Definitely will be doing.
one side love.
Yeah,
so
one sided
I can
love.
say in the comedy how it will be.
It will be hilarious.
I think one side love means Sri Ram will be that guy who is
क्योंकि वो
loving
forever,
somebody.
because he is the forever single,
single
no.
person.
Nobody loves him, so we can sense how much hilarious it would be, and definitely will be doing. Okay, thank you so much for suggesting and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone, whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.